Enjoy a nature walk with me around my yard. Starting off the journey, we have the fence, exterior. We have dog poop. We have the poop pits, as I call it, where Marta, or the Martasaurus Rex, poops. So we have to dodge over here, but eventually we'll make it out of the poop pits, and we will see this way. Now we're gonna slightly skip this way. This way isn't as fun as all the other ways. We're gonna go around here, see the asparagus. That's the rock. Now if you go back here, this is the secret lounging area. Sadly, it's been taken over by pricklies. Dun, dun, dun. It's an invasive species that keeps on killing all the grass, and it wiped out some plants there. The asparagus, just hope it doesn't get the asparagus. I'm gonna keep on walking, and eventually we make it to the shed, which has this farm that has a lot more pricklies. If you want up close, you're up close. Let me go. That's your up close. Get this. And then we're going to come over here. We have the next gate. Then we have that over there. And now we come back over here. Now let's do the middle of the yard. Let's do the middle of the yard. We got the lovely fire pit. We've got the old tree that we sadly had to chop down for the fence. And then we have the lovely hammock with the water fountain. We can come back here. You can see this is the soon-to-be Zen garden. And we have the rock where we will come back to end. This is the crate that is yet to be opened with the pickaxe. But that is the hole where the crate was found. We have the big tree, and then we have the little tree. See the little tree. Little tree, very nice tree though. You can really see how tall the asparagus grew. There's even a tree that grew in that little farm. And I don't exactly know how it grew, but it grew. And then to end today's journey, we're going to end it sitting the rock. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, remember to like the video, I don't know why, subscribe to my channel, and enjoy the next videos